for about
network issues, almost a network in Article. So about a fair area, the punish to the area, near some scope almost in network assignment. And one new program that's why network operators in which me I be from and found when content because we all know it's all covered or any fast ones are covered.
Wey ma afena won mu chirodi
enwuma suamo obenfo Samuel anim kobna wa yaban nkontaboni brano no ya na wo bu nkonta editre sade sika no otam na wo de kwoto ade a sade ni sunsum no ene entamu ensam no esitie no ye frɛ no inflation no ya na obuhu nkonta wo de kyerɛ yan na wafa epo bosom no so ama wo buhu nkonta ade a kyerɛ mu a kyerɛ mu sade niema ene nkontabo no esitie sei na wo de ma yan
stood at 25.0%, indicating that between April 2023 and April 2024, general prices of goods and services went up by 25.0%. This 25.0% indicates a slowdown of 0.8 percentage points between the rate that was recorded in March 2024 of 25.8% relative to 25.0% for the month of April 2024. We saw a contrasting trend between food and non-food inflation, while we saw a decrease in non-food inflation from 29.6% to 26.8% for the month of April 2024. The reverse was the case for non-food inflation, as it increased from 22.6% to 23.5%. The rate of inflation of 26.8% that has been recorded for food inflation is the lowest in the last 13 months. From a regional perspective, the Upper East region recorded the highest rate of inflation of 42.5%, which was close to 4 times the rate that was recorded by the Otu region, which had the lowest of 11.3% for the month of April 2024.
Abai enkontabuni engumasemo benfo Samuel anim kobena
omen yakwato batane kwa sitina menturumuntu ehumra ya ye kasa imra shebedefie chiame ne lawyer urate de sorry eri nsem bi de akoda no watu de akɔhye da ye nim ebesa afre bi ewu sanse wo kirem sansem bi wo mu a esese okono san kɔ ne nkrata yie no de babiem na maame anu wote adwamu eyi omen atembu afo ba pani ye maame Justice Gertrude Tukunu eno wo se ye brese ni adaje kwa eno o maba say wo no madaje a entumi anfa bibi papa bi adanso ama ne enra no na chese ye nua be ma Richard the last guy ya onu se ensentroni ene Dr. Amanda Odoi wo mo ka ho enom de asemu yi enso ekogina mu e wo Supreme Court ho na yentie said ye wo ma join the case no.
Even if the court takes the view that one was offensively or purportedly withdrawn, the second one or the first one still contained the same objection. So he should have waited. I think he's overshot the runway. Malady, then the most important thing in the learned Attorney General's submission, and let me corroborate his point that he's my very good friend, is the attempt to even say when the plaintiff has admitted that there is something wrong with his motion paper, he still takes the view that there is nothing wrong with the motion paper. Because by the very motion they have filed to what I'm saying is that the plaintiff himself has seen the problem based on the objection and has filed a motion. Yes, my lady.
Listen. He says there is no material difference between the original relief,
yes, my lady,
and the amendment sought.
Good.
The error only seeks to correct an error in formulation.
And my lady,
that's all he said.
If there is no material difference, there is no point in the application. That's the point. There's no material difference. Yes, my lord. So
kindly resume your seat.
Which actually deals a blow to the application.
Kindly resume your seat.
Emranimni tell you sorry. Wono no ne maame Gertrude Tukunu na ne omu yimi ehun boko ewo edem ho no.
Owura yire Charity Akotia na afrase no yebo na baso se Ghana ha nyina no wone ne obi a wokyira brane ewo kuadwuma mu na ne nyina mu na ho akohia se wo ya amamere ne amane na afenso ne ma wo hye ne boso wo de bema no wo ye ne sa pepepe na wote ema no na agyankonkoma brebre wodo a wo de beba yewura Brian Echampon ya wono ene ye oman kuadwuma soafo no wo ya amamere ne amane ama wada ne sika ya eye 1 million Ghana cedis e de ama owura yire Charity Akotia na bra na nsamo ekoso no yentie bi
involved in a lot of things. And for a woman feeding and employing quite a lot of people in her agribusiness, she deserves a lot of commendation. We wish you well. The ministry is available to support you expand, and all the other award winners, we want to work closely with you so that you can continue to expand your farms, employ more people, and feed this country. God bless us all. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you very much.
Brian Echampong and Yatin Kena and Wachi Alhaji Yakubu Alhassan Atali, one managing director, ADB in Sabukakra, what the Mayan so Musay.
With the prestigious prize of 1 million Ghana cedis in recognition of an outstanding achievement as the 2023 National Best Farmer. It fills us with pride to honor her as one of the few women to receive this distinguished award, exemplifying excellence in her field. Honorable Minister, for 23 years, ADB has been the lead sponsor of this noble award.
Na enuachi ma me ya wanyam finsia aduonum enson owura charity akotie ne nsam a wode mansam trofo nie
the youth Emma na masha won na bia fani ehye Ibrahim ameka se Ibrahim enye dako si na dwuma bia ubenya faso na ubebo kan sa pepe na kwa na so se wudi aye wudi kai se a body and as a business never see bia wudi umbeso na so enye se Ibrahim na ni se ukodo ubetumi ato adoba no nwa danani ono so Ibrahim ni bi
yakuya ni won samfo from
yakuya ni ma na ye ko bia west mensini no no western north mantam no emo communities mako du nine no mse sabre de wo montrase magadam sefo ense wo msu nsu an wo mkwa ebretuo wo mfusase wo nananom de agya wo mto wo mankasa de hyebre be hye nsem no matu gadam sefo ase enso de afiri wo mensinom enkroi ni papa ase yesu krom kanchiabo adonkwanta sikapa asem junction akwa krom enim krobi aya eka ho wo mse ne ekro no se wo manya obi emeye to ne nananom ewo ho akabom a wo mutu ase na do de domanimu ene John eye akapo akpopa wono no chirem se wo ade hye wo papa asese no a womo adwuma mo yenyina ayeku adwuma nanso gadam se womo niema ememabunu na ewo ho no beduru baabi no wanhwa wo nya adwuma kra no wo maye
ya wana galamsey for edi omo humba abaji mu se ye babe tu ayi galamsey wa ha ni senti no ebesi ya na kwa ayire ni so na besi na kwa ayire ni so no obo ye nyina ye wo beso so ha nkura edi so yi samse mi body ya ye wo ni papa se akwa krom ni ya kike ka ga bion ni wona ka ho ye pimiso afi adokwanta kumikrom kanchabo Yaripimso Johnson, Awini Camp, New Papasi, Esu Chrome, Awutu, Kantangosa, Ani Yakika Kahunano, Anna Nana, Yuri, Affair, Yabesia, Yakosi and said, Yaya Jipre said, Kokoti, Etino, Yakre. Yawana, Galamsey, for any of Humba Abaji.
We adishie bia wo 14 farming communities ewo bia west na enu achire no na nanom ewo ho nso ne central for etwetwen komo
mia motu galamse no in fact omkoko nyina sei yensu koko ntine ewo ha ye yesawifo se ye tu galamse no ha ba bia bedidi kwa ye nibi nti yesro mampani enni yo mahene se onka bi maye na ba bia ekọ no de asi ade ye ho ya kire e se ye tu galamse no ha nso e be no kwa ye nibi ye be diama ye ba bia de begu ekoko so ene bia na sere da nti yesre
ne kakra bi na mpenefo bi ba se on betu galamse wa ti mi bi so mo se galamse no mba betu infecting so na because yensu akaba akopɛ iso kese da ho river bia no o ma se no we nsu mo ba be se na na no mo si on be ye na on be boa yen na o mo tu sini be ma ye ne me ka yen se ende emwa isom bebri ene de emwa nti na achiru me hu mo ha bim nti dia me kan se galamse ne de ya mprenso
Nanam Pia, why are dear pa? Can you say young as a fee? Baby, actually, not that quite denchi. Munyermo. Omo Banswa boys who krumo mum. A mum kakra.
Yeah, come free man tamnum na nkitamu de for 10 edema TVET yewura Patrick Edu Safo what they atudwa ebra na adesuafo pon ho ewo Akotochiriman Vocational Training Institute ye no ewo mfimfim mantam no kire se adehye ye won potam ho no wosere wo mo ada eya omma adwumasua ehu hia wo na adwumasua de eye pa
ombe showcase no ya no ebro adwene ne ntiase enso ye wo ye nua ma no ene mema no mebrebe gukomi ha enso nya de a ombe o ma de se o ma kosua bibia de bia me bia me ko bia me kase me yi mi krom ana me region aya Asante region fiwa the next region me pen asem central region ene se aha na me ko university me di 11 years wa ha enti anya hwe nso no Cape Coast ana central region ama meduma
Mponto hine ya wo empotamura na kwadwo nyako ahe ya wodi kan eno so de nsam we man semtrofo.
Onye the main core of the Tangan Institute. Or a subset. Or the short program here. Ya na ya the boy and you shall be about to bring. Papa Nagasa home. American there. Hey, Mr. Fulmer, may you not swear the program you obey. Hey, when you cross to know session, so that they go and that's the one. Mr. Fulmer, you know, by you so pure by Mr. Fadi.
Ne kura mu yenu aba Evelyn Ata ono so yobi a wakogye ntete awi a wapon ho e ba bonten so okasai kakra man Semtrofo TV.
Nessa man nkrai se omo besua nsa ne djuma ya ade a boa ye mba na nkasa na mema ene mbemu ana yesisu no nsa ne djuma no boa ye nti obi afa no ho nhye nsa ne djuma na bebu obi ama emfa wani ntu be ma so ana se obi so so ho nhye vocational school ana se nsa ne djuma bia ene ska wo nsa ne djuma bia nti obi afa no ho nhye nsa ne djuma mu e bebu ye hina ema ye ndipende wo be ma so to Miss Ramsa man of Titu from one share inside the
Chief Executive Ghana Insurance Association Dr. Kingsley Kwesi Kwa Benson and a watch Musa Womajuma Womudi and Womuye na niema bia wo ye wo mu apotoka say my friend say premium and a carton no yade a say adwuma no enu nti ebra wo mo ye de betum bia say nipa dodo no abenya insurance adwuma no mu gidie no so man toto o mo niema ye na we akoso a emwa o de asemi to dwa 2024 annual educational seminar na wo kasa say advancing excellence through collective empowerment La Palm Royal Hotel no one crying. Dr. Kingsley Kwesi Kwa Benson and the asemi etumu says so mo customers no eye adia isi o mani super ani o madi yan kese sabri bia no obehwe wonum so eye.
They for the ethics here in nama ebia obi nko kan chiro na on kasa ode okudo idiku ode ituma na mo enti no ye butai titru ni de nkofo so we do duma nyebe duma enama wa chen won pe na wan kasa waju bua for the adam yi omwa ni pesu ena menko mo di duma na onyira miye enti president na ndama da kan ofo na asam no wo enti no yende today what you are doing now kwanya nyina no fatai
and what na Chief Executive Officer Adima Serene Insurance no say convener Madam Mercy na akoshi biampon enso edekakra ekan
no a professional industry nti fibre to bear or there yem bobo hen ho ano na za orisisi wo wiase ochede hen customers hen oni deals are what in society wa ba wo insurance business nimu hen regulators yen regulated by the National Insurance Commission in zama wa system ama hen ode yeshia na ye bobo ye ho yesua bribi fim ama hen adwuma ye no wa ko we tumpon nti ono na o ma yeshia nti ya yende afibia yebotu indaka crazy home na ya hwe business no ne agro ne fapim bebre finance the technical IT corporate governance, risk management. Risk management, yeah, insurance risk management. The whole business is exposed to risk. Finance, or more risk of investment, claims, or more other risk. Every IT, there's risk of business disaster and all that.
Kasian Wesi 21st clinic and every 15 branches across Ghana. Baby Ebibe will be abona Uramuano pay na Kwajwaya Shen to me more Mizoni 5G so. Ye no be where ye say upon to us I'll just say any abedin to us Dr. Silas and so premier money de Ushiani baby ala Obemebi 3 eco capsules dear I am team a chan war Sisi Yadia any cocoa Nunumbi now so intimate Sanse Boa Benedict for penny and a pay akuse sumwa and a better chinchim from Master de my MC Afonso Eboye Wahinini ama Cranchard as well of Mammy Premeni Mene
Nana Kwabena Kese yes sorry so ama Adiache Bia Jumedieno Atuaso
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international